Everyone alright? Got any questions?
What's up, Squid, and welcome to another Airsoft mission. Today we're playing at the bomb dump, run by Rift, located in Middle Wallop. Today's mission is a basic capture the flag. Unfortunately, my team didn't do too well today. We only managed to capture one of the 5 flags for the entire game. We found for the majority of it, we was pinned back in the main corridor leading out from our spawn. We couldn't push back the strong enemy line. Regardless of this, I still thoroughly enjoyed the mission and found the site very enjoyable to play at. I will be returning. Stay tuned to see how it went.
He can't count anyway.
Drop your mag. So I'm advancing towards the enemy. I've pushed down the main corridor out of our spawn. As I don't know this site very well, I want to proceed with caution to assess my surroundings to figure out my best route to the flags. Where are we looking? After dying, I decided to take the right flank. There doesn't appear to be as many of my players this side, so I decided to help. Yeah, the wind's too much on that. Unfortunately, the enemies that I can see are a little bit out of my range. If I maintain a strong presence here, they will struggle to push forward as easily. On the left, on the left! Fuck! Hit! Oh, that stunk! By the time I'd respawned, the team had been pinned in the main corridor. The hill in front was the main enemy line and we were struggling to get past it. What?
So you got
people
coming over there, you got people left and right on the camera.
Alright.
I watch out the top you were coming as well. The pin. You've got people coming around from our way.
Mug.
Pushing?
No, they're still there. Behind that hill in front of us.
Mate, you're going to have to fucking shit on time when you get back in my car.
Yeah, it's your car, not my problem. Whitehall is in
Yeah, soon. For now, I'm maintaining suppression fire on the hill. However, they are pushing forward very quickly and they're going to overrun us soon.
Is he still up there?
Yeah, so there's one on the right hand mound and there's one directly in front. They keep bobbing their heads down.
He's behind the cover, look. Grey hat.
That's a marshal, I think you're pointing at.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
so there's a guy to the left.
There is one they shoot out there.
Sorry, Marshall! There's one geezer in front.
Yeah. The guy's still on the mound, so
Yeah, so there's 2 on the mound directly in front, but I ain't got the range to get them. And there's one just on this mound here. I expect him to go up. We're being pinned by both barns in front of us. We can't really push backwards because we'll be running out in the open, but we're now stuck. So he's up on this mound in front of me here.
Yeah, everybody's going to have to push. We've got so many people behind us. Shoulder, where is he going?
He's up the right hand, yeah. appears the enemy has been pushed back again. I'm going to proceed with caution because I don't know how far back they are and I don't want to die again.
Oh, bastard. Mag. Mag! Oh, that rounds! Ah! What's he? I can't see his arm.
We need to change that flag over, so we've got like a minute left.
Yeah, so there's a guy, I think, behind the tower. I think that's where they got shot from on that side. The enemy front line is slowly depleting. We can only have access to this one flag, so we might as well make the last push before the time of the game ends. After a quick dash, I've scored the team our 1 point. Alright, I don't know where the other lad got shot from. Potentially behind the tower, but I'm not sure.
Not too sure where that tower.
No. Yeah, behind the tower. Hit! And that was game over for me. Although I had a higher death count and kills, I still scored the team point. We pushed hard, but was quickly overthrown at the start, resulting in us losing all advantageous ground to push back until the very end, by which point that was too late. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to receive notifications on when I next upload. It'll also help the algorithm push my content to the top of your feed. I really like playing at the bomb dump. It's a small field, but it really made the games immersive as you could concentrate on the objective more so than getting around the map. I hope to see you all again in the next video. See you soon, Squid Squad!